Hello, good morning, and assalamu alaikum to all of my grade 3 students. I'm your teacher Sana Kausar over here again with the new lecture of today, that is multiplication. Yes, today I have a lecture number 15 with you all, and this is the chapter number 3 again, the multiplication. So let's have a look what I have for all of you. Okay, first of all, I would like to mention the task of the day. Today, you are going to learn the multiplication through the 9 times table. So, basic task of the day was to make you understand and learn the 9 times table. And yes, look at the workbook pages. I just mentioned the workbook pages from 65 till 68. Only few pages that we are going to cover today. But our main task will be just to make sure that you guys understand the 9 times table and its tricks. Okay, first of all, my question of the day is 8 times table learning is done or not? Okay, I explained you 8 times table with the trick, two tricks, one for learning and other for the writing part. So I just want to know that whether you guys have learned it or not. Are you guys are doing your work on time or still delaying your work? This is something that is very important, that do your work on time. So if your answer is yes, then that's good. And if your answer is this no, then I'm really sad like this girl, because I want you all to be very much regular and punctual regarding your studies. So don't waste your time and do the work on the same day and complete it on the same day as well. So I hope that you guys understand and you will learn the 8 times table and even 9 times table on time. Okay, now it's a time to learn the 9 times table trick, and this is about the oral learning of the 9 times table. Oral means you are gonna learn that how to learn the oral 9 times table without even writing it. So 9 times table is very interesting because it has two parts. You can learn it in two ways. The first is to learn it orally and the other is to learn it by writing. So let's have a look. First of all, everyone just leave the mouse and leave your workbooks on a side and just put your hands in front of you like the picture. Put your hands like this and just make sure that this thumb is number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then from the other hands, from the pinky finger, you are going to start again 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So these are the numbers that we appointed for your fingers. So just make sure that you just learn the sequence of these numbers, that one thumb has a 1 value and the other thumb has 10 values. This is something that's very important, and you start in the sequence from like this till this. So the sequence is very easy. Just remember the 1 and 10 positions and then you can easily do it. So yes, if this is done, so let's have a look what you're gonna do next. Oh, this is a funny picture that I just pasted. It is an upside down look on all of you, that you guys know that what is the sequence of the fingers. Yes, I hope so that you all know what is the sequence of your finger. So let's move. Okay, now the 9 times table on your finger. Let's do it with the example. First of all, I explain you all that this is the number of the sequence. For example, let's start it with the you can say that 3 9s are, this is 9. Okay, don't get confused, this is 9. So the number that you're going to read, 3 9s are, so you're going to bend this finger. You are going to just close this finger and bend it number 3. Now the answer is on your finger. How? If the 3 is bent on the left side of you all, how many fingers are left? 2. So you will write down 2. And on the, you can say that right side, how many fingers are left? Count the fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 7 fingers are left. So 7 is your answer. So when you join both the numbers 2 and 7, your answer is 27. Got it? Okay, this is something that you can do and learn only with the practice. So let's do it again. For example, if you want to know your answer from 9s are, So you are going to bend your finger of 4 and then count the fingers. How many fingers will be left at that side? You can say that the left side, 1, 2, 3. So you will mention 3. Let me get my pen first so I can mention it for all of you. So if you are doing the example with 9 fours are, how many fingers are left at that point? 3. So I will mention 3. And how many fingers are left at that point? Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6. When I joined both the numbers, I got the answer 36. So 9 fours are 36. I hope that you guys understand it, but let's revise this whole technique with the help of a very interesting video. Yes, let's watch the video to understand the 9 times table trick. Let's watch it.
Today, I want to show you the best way to remember the 9 times table using only your hands or fingers. So let's begin by opening up both hands in front of you like this. Now, imagine that your fingers represent the numbers 1 through 10. Your left thumb is the number 1 and your right thumb is the number 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, let's begin. Let's take an example. Say 9 times 7. Let's start by folding the 7th finger down like this. You're seeing the answer right now, actually. There are 6 fingers to the left of the folded finger 7, and there are 3 fingers to the right of the folded finger. So the answer is 63. You're seeing it right now. It's a super nice trick, right? Now, let's do the 9 times table from the very beginning. 9 times 1 is 0, 9. 9. 9 times 2 is 1, 8. 18. 9 times 3 is 2, 7. 27. 9 times 4 is 3, 6. 36. 9 times 5 is 4, 5. 45. 9 times 6 is 5, 4. 54. 9 times 7 is 6, 3. 63. 9 times 8 is 7, 2. 72. 9 times 9 is 8, 1. 81. And finally, 9 times 10 is 9, 0, 90. How cool was that, right? This is the best trick.
So you guys got it, that how to do the 9 times table on your finger. I hope that you guys have understand that how to learn the 9 times tables only by using your finger. So you just need to practice it regularly. Just make sure that whenever you are free, just do the practice of these tables. Yes, this is a sign of all the kids that you have learned it. So let's move on our second trick. Okay, yes, this is a second trick of a 9 times table, and it's about writing the 9 times table quickly. So the first trick that you have learned, that was on the finger, and the second trick is very interesting and very easy. It's about writing the 9 times table very quickly. So let's have a look.
Looking at another variation of lightning maths. The quickest, fastest and easiest way to learn, remember and know the 9 times table in just a few seconds. So let's take a look. Okay, so the first thing that you want to do is you want to write the numbers from 0 to 9 going in ascending order. And write that downwards in a list. So write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Then what we do is we repeat what we've just done, but the other way around. So we start from 0 going up to 9 in reverse order. So we start from the bottom. So we write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And there you have it. We've got the 9 times table. So we've got 1 times 9 is 9. 2 times 9 is 18. 3 times 9 is 27. 4 times 9 is 36. 5 times 9 is 45. 6 times 9 is 54. 7 times 9 is 63. 8 times 9 is 72. 9 times 9 is 81. 10 times 9 is 90. And here's another interesting fact. If you add up each digit along each line, the total result will be 9. So we're starting from the top, we've got 0 plus 9 is 9, 1 plus 8 is 9, 2 plus 7 is 9, 3 plus 6 is 9, 4 plus 5 is 9, 5 plus 4 is 9, 6 plus 3 is 9, 7 plus 2 is 9, 8 plus 1 is 9, and 9 plus 0 is 9. And there you go. And if you do this a few times, you'll be able to do this in a matter of seconds.
Okay, so I hope that you guys have understand also the writing trick of the 9 times table. Today actually I find out a very interesting these videos, and I was thinking that rather than you guys understand all the stuff from me, it's better to watch the videos. So videos are also helpful. So my students, it's a time to grab your workbook and start working with me with today's classwork. That is workbook page number 65. Yes, this is a workbook page number 65. So kindly take out, and yes, don't forget to mention your date and day. So the students who have learned the 9 times table trick of this matching work with me. So let's read a table. 8 9s are. Okay, 8 9s are. So you can do it even 9 8s are and 8 9s are. In the 8 times table, I told you learn the two numbers. 8 8s are and 8 9s are. 8 9s are 72. So we are just going to join it with the 82. Okay. 6 8s are, 6 9s are. 6 9s are is something that is also very easy. 6 9s are 54. The students who are learning the tables with me, it is very easy for them. Okay, 9 9s are. 9 9s are is 81, and let's join it with 81. Okay, and the last one is 7 9s are. 7 9s are is something that I told you that how to learn the 7 times table with the sequence, that is 42 49 56 63. So 7 9s are is 63. See how much easy page it is. Yes, let's move on our next page. Okay, now my students, take out your workbook page number 66. And as you can see in the question, multiply by counting in 9s. It means you are just going to read a 9 times table in this. And if you look at these strawberries and if you count it, there are 9 strawberries. So let's count 9. How many strawberries are there on each cake? That are 9. And how many cakes are there, or you can say it might be some kind of a pudding and custard. So how many groups of it? 1 2 3. So our answer is 9 3s are, and you can even do it 3 9s are. The answer will be same, 27. 3 9s are 27. Very good. Okay, let's move on to the next blank of the same question. There are 27 strawberries in total. Okay, this is a stand of candles, and there are 9 candles on each stand. So we are going to just mention 9 over here. And how many stands are there? 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, yes, there are 5 stands of 9 candles on each. So let's do it. 9 5s are and 5 9s are. 5 table is very easy, so you can read it like this as well. 45. The answer will be same whether you read the 9 times table or whether you read the 5 times table till 9. The answer will be same. Okay, my number is just bit wrong, so just make sure that you should write it correctly. But I think being a teacher, I just need to fix it. So I just use my eraser and going to write it down again. This shows that your teacher is also using eraser, because my mouse sometimes don't like to cooperate with me. Okay, so see how much easy it is. Once you know the table, the work is really easy. Okay, this is a same page and the parts 9 in each box. And how many boxes are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so 9 6 are. So what is the answer? 9 6 are. Or you can say that 6 9s are 54. Yes, so there are, okay, chocolate. They were chocolates in total, so there are 54 chocolates. Yes, see how much easy it is after knowing the table. Let's move to the next page, that is 67. Okay, they are the same page, same concept. The concept is same, but the part is on the new page, that is part D. Let's do it. How many lollipops are there altogether? So there are 9 lollipops in each group. So you will mention 9 over here. And how many groups of lollipops are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So it's 9 7s are or 7 9s are. Our answer will be same. That is 63. Yes, easy. You will write down the same answer over here as well. Okay. And now we are moving to the last part of the page, that is part E, and that is about crayons. So there are 9 crayons in each box. So you will mention 9. And how many boxes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 9 9s are. It's very easy. 9 9s are 81. Very good. So you will mention the same answer over here as well. See how quickly we add the crayons. We just count the group of 1 items and then we count the group and we quickly add them, and we got the answer that they are now 81 crayons. So yes, okay, this is almost the second last page of the day. This is page number 68. Question number 3 is your self-assessment. So let's do the product. I think now every student know that what is a product means. The product of 7 and 9. That we are going to do with the multiplication fact. Okay, so let's write down 9 7s are, or you can swap the places, 7 9s are. Our answer will be change? No, our answer will be same. That is 63. Okay, 9 7s are or 7 9s are. The answer will be same. Yes. Yes, I can see the happy faces of all of my students. So my students, now I have a very interesting, a kind of a small game for all of you, that cross the river according to the 9 times table and try it by yourself. Okay, I'm just pasting a small picture of a game that help Captain Salamander to cross the river by shading the step stone, counting up in 9s. Okay, this is actually a Captain Salamander. That's funny. Its name is Captain Salamander. Okay, and he can cross the river only by putting its legs in a 9 times tables number. So 9 1s are 9. Then it needs to jump on 18. 9 2s are 18. Yes. Okay, next. 9 3s are. Tell me. It's 46? No. 26? No, it's 27. 9 3s are 27. Okay, now what it needs to do, where it needs to jump next. Quickly, you can tell me the answers. Yes, 9 4s are 36 and 9 5s are 45. Okay. 9 6 are, anyone who can tell me that 9 6 are? 9 6 are 54. Okay, then it needs to jump over here. And then 9 7s are? 9 7s are 63. So if you know the table, then you can only help this captain. Okay, just don't forget this. Okay, now 9 8s are? 9 8s are 72. So let's make it to jump over here. 9 nines are 81 and 9 tens are 90. Okay, only in this way Captain Salamander can cross the river. Yes. Okay, it is just a small activity that I plan for all of you. Okay, it's time to play tables game. Okay, I have a very interesting information for all of you, that I just figure out one very interesting website where you can do the practice of timestable.com. And in this website you can go, and the table that you have learned, you will pick up that table, and then they will give you different worksheets regarding it. So you can solve that worksheets and you can play the games on this website, but that games will be just about the tables. Okay, so I hope that you guys can play and enjoy this tables.com. This is a very nice website, and I hope that you guys will also enjoy it. Okay, it's time to explain you the self-assessment. Okay, let me just tell you that how to do the self-assessment page. So my students, what you're gonna do, take out your workbook, page number 68. The first part is something that is very easy. You all know that you are going to color the boxes according to the 9 times table, and then they ask you a very interesting question. They ask you that, do you see any pattern? So tell me, do you see any pattern in it? Yes, the pattern, it's a pattern of odd and even numbers. When you will color all the answers of the 9 times table, you will understand that one answer is odd in odd number, other answer is in even number. For example, 9 ones are 9. 9 is an odd number. 9 twos are 18. 18 is an even number. So it's a pattern of odd and even numbers. Okay, and then they ask you, look at the numbers you have colored. What do you notice about the sum of the digits in the numbers? Okay, this is something that is explained in the video too, that the sum of the two digits is 9. Yes, and you add 18 to 8. So this is something that is already explained in a video. So that's all for today. Learn the tables from 6 till 9. Yes, this is a picture of my students, that they are feeling like this. Yes. So this is a very important note, that do the practice of multiplications on a timestable.com, and you can even learn the tables in a dodging style as well. And these slides were made by me, Ma'am Mariam. She helped me out, and this is recorded by me in my voice. Okay, till then, next lecture. Bye bye. Take care, all of you. Bye.